till the last minute, I did not want to go to Bells. It was the summer. It was the summer of the year I'm going. Like 2 weeks before I'm flying to Tzarov for the new for yeshiva, and my brother was trying to convince me. Bells' brother tried to convince me it's the best thing. He took me for a walk. We went for a walk. We went into a store, like a Costco type of store, like a grocery store in Manchester, and I was like, "Don't try to convince me. Bells is awful. I don't want to go to Bells. Bells is not for me. Bells has never been for me. It's just Bells is just not the right thing."
Okay.
So the drunkard behind me wobbles up to us. And again, a little intro you may not know, there's a famous Scottish whiskey called Bells, B-E-L-S.
No way.
Scottish, and he wobbles up to us and he says, "Don't speak badly about Bells. Fine whiskey."
No way.
And my brother, whoa, this is a moment. I wish, Hashem sent a drunkard to tell you. So that was funny. We joke about it.
Wow.
I'm not the type to take signs.
I think you're the only Belzer that found a guy to tell him
to get a drunkard to send me to Bells.
Yeah.
Ended up going to Bells.
Wow. When was this?
Not happy.
Elul.
Happens to be it was Cheshvan. My sister got married in Elul, so I went a month later.
Not happy.
Very unhappy.
Why?
If I'm going to Bells, from the Bells yeshivas, let me at least go to Haifa.
Mm-hmm.
I ended up in the exact opposite as Haifa. If we could discuss it.
I think you shouldn't.
You think I shouldn't? I won't say that I was in Bnei Brak. Fine. And I said, that's it. I'm done.
How long after you came, you said, that's it, I'm done?
As soon as I got there, I said, I'm not learning.
Wow.
And it was interesting because, again, I was in London. I enjoyed learning Yeshiva Ketana. And I put on
defense mechanism?
I don't know what you call it. It was like... I'm just angry. I'm going to get
You're
back
angry for getting to Bells.
Am I then a Hasidic? Am I then a Litvish yeshiva? Or I'm in Haifa? No, I want to back up a bit.
Who helped you understand that Haifa is a good place?
And my brother-in-law who had just gotten married.
Oh, wow.
Was a Haifa, very geschmacky Ingeman. But also I knew something. I heard about Berl, whatever.